Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency and productivity are crucial. Whether you're juggling multiple projects or trying to stay on top of deadlines, AI tools can be a game changer for streamlining your workflow. Let's dive into some of the most effective AI tools that can help you boost your productivity. First up, task management tools. Notion AI and Trello AI are two fantastic options. Notion AI helps you automate tasks, organize projects, and keep track of deadlines seamlessly. Imagine having an AI-generated to-do list that updates in real time or automatic scheduling that adapts to your deadlines. Similarly, Trello AI integrates with your Trello boards to suggest cards, automate repetitive tasks, and keep your projects on track. These tools not only save time, but also ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Next, let's talk about time management. Tools like Clockwise and Notion are designed to help you manage your time and meetings effectively. Clockwise uses AI to optimize your schedule by blocking out focus time and reducing meeting conflicts. Imagine having a calendar that automatically finds the best time for deep work and reschedules meetings when necessary. Notion takes it a step further by prioritizing tasks and planning your day around your most important work. These tools help you make the most of your time, ensuring you stay productive and focused. Now on to content creation. Jasper and Grammarly are excellent AI tools for writing and editing. Jasper generates ideas and content based on your input, making the writing process faster and more efficient. Grammarly, on the other hand, checks grammar, enhances clarity, and ensures your writing is polished and professional. Together, these tools can help you create high-quality content in less time, allowing you to focus on other important tasks. To wrap up, AI tools like these can save you time, reduce manual work, and significantly improve your efficiency. I encourage you to try out these tools and see how they can transform your workflows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.